iPhones have become ubiquitous in modern society, and as with any piece of technology, there are often hidden features and capabilities that the average user may not be aware of. Hidden codes on the iPhone can provide access to a variety of useful information and settings, allowing you to customize your device to your liking and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Number 1. #06 hashtag. This code will display your iPhone's IMEI, International Mobile Equipment Identity, number, which is a unique identifier for your device. Number 2. #21 hashtag. This code will display information about your call forwarding settings, including whether or not they are enabled and where they are being forwarded to. Number 3. #30 hashtag. This code will display information about your call waiting settings, including whether or not they are enabled and the number that is used to notify you of incoming calls. Number 4. #33 hashtag. This code will display information about your call barring settings, including whether or not they are enabled and which types of calls are being barred. Number 5. #43 hashtag. This code will display information about your call waiting settings, including whether or not they are enabled and the number that is used to notify you of incoming calls. Number 6. #61 hashtag. This code will display information about your missed call notification settings, including the number of missed calls and the number that is used to notify you. Number 7. #62 hashtag. This code will display information about your call forwarding settings, including whether or not they are enabled and where they are being forwarded to. Number 8. #67 hashtag. This code will display information about your caller ID settings, including whether or not they are enabled and which number is displayed to the person you are calling. Number 9. #76 hashtag. This code will display information about your connected call settings, including the current call status and the number of active calls. Number 9. #77 hashtag. This code will activate the Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone, which will prevent any incoming calls from ringing or vibrating. Number 10 hashtag. This code will display information about your voicemail settings, including the number that is used to access your voicemail and the amount of time before the call is forwarded to voicemail.